Hello again. So, whoever said that loving somebody required you to disappear, and to lose yourself, to give up yourself, to love somebody else? Love doesn't require you to disappear. And it doesn't ask you to abandon your own instincts. It doesn't ask you to mute and dumb down your own needs, or betray your body. If love costs you your aliveness, it's not love. It's survival disguised as devotion. Freedom is loving without vanishing. So you do need to look at not just redefining what freedom is, but redefining what love is. So in the next video, we'll look at uh, putting boundaries in place and recognizing that boundaries are not punishments, although some people may experience it that way. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.